Okay, y'all, so I've been doing a lot of the 100 Concepts stuff lately. I really like their product a lot. Here I have a Leaupold Mark 6 1:6 20 millimeter scope that I purchased many years ago. Great optic, well, super clear glass, let me say that. Super clear glass, extremely durable. The dot leaves a little bit to be desired. It's a little bit dim. But that aside, it's what I have. It's what I use. I like it. It works 99.9% of the time just fine. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put a scope cap Pro on this with a shock collar. So it's a large shock collar and a 34 mil Scope Cap Pro. So the Scope Cap Pro has the anti-reflective device as well as the cap and two bungees right there. It doesn't come with elastic. It's designed to be mounted around the body of the light here. I'm going to use the shock collar though. It does come with a little quick start guide here, which I find super helpful instead of having to go watch videos and stuff. But that being said, I did go watch videos and I've set up a few of these things in the past, so I'm kind of getting used to it now. So first things first, I'm going to make sure the screw for this is down out of the welt. So a couple things, you can flip the scope cap down like this out of the way. You can flip, well, it'd be like this if I'm flipping it down and out of the way. You can flip it up and out of the way. You can flip to the side. So I guess I have some decisions to make. I think I'm going to try to flip it down and see how that goes. Nice thing about the shock collar setups, it's super easy to change it when you want to change it. So here we go. I have my tools, pair of scissors, my 1/8 wrench. If I need to undo any knots, I have a couple tools over here to undo knots with this shock cord. I'm going to use the black shock cord on this to stick with the setup I have. It's all black with a gray sling. Not that slings matter, I do switch slings quite often. But this is a Ferro Concept sling on this gun. I like it a lot, and I have it in gray. So, first we need to make a knot at one end of this. A little overhand knot. I think that's what it's called. I like to leave a little tail coming off of it. Then I'm going to go through the cap. Like that. Then we will go through the anti-reflective device. This doesn't have a top or bottom. This is the same as that side. That side's the same as that side. Then I need to go through. So I'm going to tighten this down. I'll try to do that. Let me get my 1/8. So since I'm going to be flipping down, I'm going to put the screw at the top. Leave just enough room behind the screw for the bungee. Okay, I don't think that's going anywhere. That's pretty good. Okie doke. Go through the shock collar. That on there. Now I want to go down, so the lid needs to be up. Come to this side. Go back through the shock collar. Through the anti-reflective device. Through the scope cap. And cinch it all down. So I'm caught back here. Let's get that up. See, I don't want that. I want that. I want that. There we go. See how it's back there? Nice and tight, nice and snug and out of the way. So let's tie our first knot and see how this goes. Okay. Here we go. See that? Right on. It's not quite centered there. I'm going to loosen that up. No, that's fine. I don't think it'll matter. There we go. So flip it out of the way, flip it up. Let's cut the cord and burn it. Okay. Get my lighter out. Burn that. I don't know. Okay. See how easy that was? Every time I do one of these, it gets a little easier, a little easier. The hardest part about scope caps or light caps or anything like that is make sure you're getting the right size one. And if they don't have your scope, finding something that's similar to your scope, measuring it with a micrometer or something like that, I think that's what it's called, and getting what you need. So I really like the scope cap. Flip it out of the way when I'm ready to use my scope, flip it back up. This is the front. I'm getting one for the back next. So I'll be getting one for back here as well. That way when the gun's hanging on me and the muzzle down, then I'm not going to be getting water all over the back lens. And then if I need it, I flip them down and I go to work. When I'm storing it and not in the middle of a gun battle or something, I will keep them on. So there we go. So in this pic, I'm showing you what my eye sees as I look through the optic through the anti-reflective device. You notice the device does not interfere with the reticle or my vision. Okay, let's get some reps with the scope cap. I'm going to be throwing the scope cap off as I mount the gun to my shoulder. So I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure you subscribe, like, and share the video with your friends. And stay tuned for more videos from Page Performance Shooting. Great products and great training. Stay safe, stay free, die trying.